Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Bullx Neo. This is a full tutorial on how to use Bullx Neo. So right ahead we can see on the address here, you can just go ahead and type in neo.bullx.io and it's going to take you to this page. Now all you can do is to click on connect at the top right corner or connect here at the center. It says connect to Telegram. So basically Bullx is used on Telegram and we can click on it and it's going to open our Telegram. As you can see here, the site is trying to open Telegram desktop. So by the way, of course, this means you will need to have a Telegram desktop before even clicking the button. So assuming we have that already, you can click on open. And now we have our Bullx right here. It's going to automatically open it on our Telegram. And the great thing about it is you don't need to go over to Telegram and try to search for it. We've just been taken right there. Now, of course, you see the welcome message. And then you can start making trades by funding your wallet. Now there are some preset commands which you can have on your Bullx Neo wallet. Now in order to do that, you can click on start at the bottom here. And you can see here seamlessly log into your Bullx account by tapping below. So you have the login or the backup option. You can go ahead and click on login. It's going to open this link on your web browser. And then while it's open our web browser, it says connect to Telegram once again, but not to worry because you have this message right here. You could go ahead and open your Telegram desktop. Now you have these two buttons right here, log in or log in backup. You'll need to click on any of them in order to log into your Bullx account on your web browser because that's where it's going to take you. Now, sometimes when you click on log in, it's going to ask you to connect again to Telegram. This means that you'll need to try the other button. Go ahead and keep trying until you get to your Bullx Neo account. Now, one of the things you'll need to do while here on Bullx is to connect your wallet. You're going to click on wallet on the sidebar here. So right here on the dashboard, you can see lots of different tokens. You have those that are new creations, about to graduate, and graduated. This basically means that there are at different stages and you might want to look at those who are graduated. So you have these options right here and we're going to look at Shoe Nice, for example. So we have the graph which will be loaded up right here and some other details down here. You can go ahead and buy or sell and put in the amount you'd like to transact with. And then you have the option to add some funds if you'd like to make the purchase. You can click on add funds. Then you can add funds using your mobile device, using your crypto exchange to send funds into this QR code or copy this alphanumeric address for your Solana here on Bullx. After that's done, you will have the needed funds to make the purchase if you desire. Then on the left side right here, you have your portfolio and your wallet. You can click on Wallet Manager. And here you can see some wallets we already added. We have our Phantom wallet added here already. And if you'd like to do the same, all you need to do is to click on Add Wallet. And then you can put in your wallet name and your wallet address and you'll be able to add a wallet. Now, if you'd like to import a wallet from other sources into your Bullx Neo, you can click on the import button right here and then select the wallet type and then put in the private key. Remember, your private key is only to be known by you. And after putting it, you can import your wallet. And this is the same method we use to add these options right here. Then right here, you can add, withdraw, distribute, or consolidate. So before making a purchase, you can click on add funds and we'll see the same screen which we saw before when we were trying to show you how to buy a certain token. You can click on withdraw. You'll be withdrawing the funds you might have right here into a selected wallet. So you can put it from the selected wallet right here on your Bullx Neo, put in the amount, and you're going to put in the destination wallet. And then after which you can tap on withdraw the amount to complete the transaction. Now we're currently on the Explore tab and here you can see the different pairs that you can trade with and you can see the different information such as when it was created, the liquidity, holders, market cap, volume, swaps, etc. Now there are lots and lots of coins and tokens right here, so you can use the filter to get what you want and narrow down your search. You can have these options checked out if you want it. And you also have the other options such as the liquidity range, volume range, market cap range, buys and sells, etc. After putting all these, you can click on apply and you will see the coins according to your filter. So whether you're buying or selling, you now have enough information here on Bullx Neo in order to trade with this platform. So go ahead and keep exploring on Bullx Neo, switching between new pairs and trending to see what's happening in the crypto space, and we wish you a profitable trading.